Welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody watching is having a great day. Today we're back with another episode of 1 Minute Sneaker Reviews. This is where I give you a quick review of a shoe that I picked up in under 1 minute. I'll put a link to my last episode up on the screen right here if you want to go and check it out. Make sure you also check out my Instagram if you want to see any of my shoe posts before anybody else does. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Alright, let's go.
Let's go.
Today we are taking a look at an actual grail. This is the Jordan Retro 1 High Virgil Abloh Archive Alaska. This shoe is absolutely beautiful. This was raffled last week on EQL, and it also has a wider release set for April 3rd with rumors of a sneakers release possibly. The retail price is a little bit steep, but well worth it at $230, and these are premium. The Air Jordan Retro 1 Off-White Alaska represents one of the most anticipated intersections of the Jordan brand and Off-White, bringing a stripped-back and conceptual approach to the iconic silhouette. The all-white colorway gives the shoe a clean and almost unfinished look, allowing construction details and design choices to take center stage. It feels minimal at first glance, but carries a deeper level of intention in every element. Collectors are drawn to this release for the cultural weight and the legacy of the past Off-White collaborations. And finally, we see some resale value with this pair. Prior to the release, the hype was real. These shoes were going for over $1,000 a pair. But after the news of a more widespread release, prices have plateaued somewhere around $500, pretty much all sizes, which is still double your money on a pretty good chunk of change. I will most likely be eventually selling this pair, as it's not my size, and I'm kinda over Jordan 1s in general, but this is truly an incredible timepiece reminiscent of Virgil and past times in the scene. Well, this has been 1 Minute Sneaker Reviews. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for all of your support, and have a great day.